What's up, guys? You know who it is. Your boy JP the Install Guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 1996 Chevy Silverado. This will also work for your GMC Sierra or any type of Tahoe Yukon, because you know they're all the same thing. And I'm going to show you how to take this radio out and install your own single DIN radio. If this is the type of thing that you're into, please consider subscribing, because that's what we do here. Anything car radio install related, that's what the channel is about. So since this one is a stick shift, we don't have to worry about pulling down the steering column. If you have the shifter right here, then you're gonna have to pull that down, so you might have to put the key in the ignition. What I'm going to do is just take this and pull the steering column down that way I have more room. And then, like I said, if you got the shifter up here, you're gonna have to pull that shifter down. Now all we have to do is do this. There are clips behind here. Yep, that's all we have to do. Pop that dash off. Now it is gonna be easy if you, let's see what's all hooked up. We got the cargo lamp light. You can actually just kind of pop that out. So we need to press this down. And it needs to go up under that part. Man, it's being a pain, there we go. All right, so now that I pulled that out, I was able to get here. So I actually just kind of have this sitting on top of the steering wheel right here. You guys can take it off all the way or have it hang, but this harness over here is not difficult, but I don't actually have to take that off because I have everything that I need right here. Now, as you notice, on the side, you're gonna see these tabs. So you wanna press down on these tabs. Of course, I have one hand, so I gotta do these one at a time. It's easier if you do them at the same time. All right, but we are able to slide that out like that. I'm going to disconnect your antenna and disconnect your GM 4001 harness right here in the back, or it might be the Metro 1858. And that's about it. So now that we have that out, let's go ahead and get that dash kit prepped and that CD player wired up. Also, we're here on the bench. I got the dash kit and the wire harness right here. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing prepped. It's gonna be real easy, and don't worry, I will try to find links for all these stuff and put them in the description. A lot of stuff you will be able to get from jpsaudio.com. Now, let's go ahead and take the sleeve off the back of the radio, and very simple, well, let's slide that in like that. Just wanna put the cage in. Trying to do it with one hand. Well, I am ashy, boy. All right, so that's in just like that. All right, now you see these tabs. What you want to do, kind of take a pit tool, bend the tabs up. I like to bend them backwards, and that's gonna stop the cage from sliding. Also, can stop somebody from trying to steal your radio. But if you're going down a hill or something like that, you don't have to worry about it sliding out. All right, so I did that at the top, did the same thing for the bottom. All right, so now I'm putting pressure on the radio and it will not come out. Now we want to push that tab in on both sides. That way when we slide the CD player through, it's going to snap. Now let's get this thing wired up and get back inside the car. Alright guys, so we are back inside the car, and you see we have everything wired up. Now here at this channel, we don't actually go over the CD player wiring anymore, because if you buy your wire harness, then the wiring will be the exact same every single time, because the wire harness's job is to change those factory wire colors to the aftermarket wire colors. So it's easy installation, and all you have to do is basically match everything up. Now if you don't understand what these wire colors are, I didn't forget about you guys. I made one video showing you how to wire up a CD player, where I go over each individual individual wire, what they mean, where they go to, so you have a clear understanding on how to install a CD player. So as long as you get the harness, everything will be simple for you. That link will be in the description. That card will be up there in the corner. Now for those guys who don't buy the harness and you want to hardwire everything, I do have videos inside the how-to playlist showing you how to do that, and I do have some resources to give you those wire colors. And I give that information to all of my Patreons. Those guys go the extra mile supporting me in the channel, so I make sure I go the extra mile supporting them when it comes to behind the scenes footage, wire diagrams, and that is the platform that I'm using to give all my one-on-one help. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing pushed back into the dash panel so you guys can see what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you guys find any type of value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. All the product links will be in the description if I can find them, and those Patreon links, if you want to be a furthermore supporter, will be in the description as well. Till next time, this is your boy JP the Install Guy signing out, hoping that everybody has a blessed day.